right, welcome back. Yes, we still get Yomi Sachs inside the studio. Not forget that we get special performance from him later. So you're going to need to relax and enjoy the show. We also still get a body card at for front for you. Now, before the break, we'll talk about some things, some signs where you need to see and to know, say, come, I don't need to took my head or my leg inside this relationship. I will don't give you two already. Make I just drop like one more and we interview Yomi. Okay, the last hour I will drop. When you don't do something where they don't like, or something where they don't tell you to make you not do before, they go start to threaten you. I will leave you. I will leave you. This relationship is over. I will deal with you if you try this thing next time. I will beat you if you try this thing next time. If the man don't start to threaten you, then you need to know, say, time don't reach for you to walk away.
Or the woman.
Man or woman,
Yomi, girl don't ever tell you, say, if you try not to come by 7 again, don't come to my house.
End the relationship.
Yes.
We post the
it don't
pictures.
possible. It don't happen before.
We post the pictures in social media.
I don't do one kind of relationship where we see the babe don't say she no do 100 million times.
But she still did.
But she still did.
She still did.
Oh, wow.
But
So what's be her reason?
But the one day where I just try and say I know they do. That means that she don't push me reach more. So she don't even feel look my face. That means she over beg when they worry the thing.
So you take her back?
To me, I go down draw rope before I go say I know do again. For me to take that kind
you
of
cut the rope and let her go.
I will just, if I don't say I know they do again, because my kind person, I know they talk too much, and I know if I don't want and say this thing no do okay, as I dey talk am gently, if you no listen, na wala.
All right, so what do you think, Hawa? What do you think?
Not true, because those kind of people, when they go wake up, they say, I will take the kids or do this. Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. And no, to the jar they go, just they go. Yeah. Just they go.
But to be honest, if you say you won't carry the kids, go carry. You shall pay school fees and you come back.
No, she they talk about in the long run.
In the long,
because if they threaten you on at a date.
My sister, now white people, now they fear carrying the kids because of child support. Wait now, Nigeria. You go look for the children. I don't see man where the woman they threaten her. I go blah 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 blah. She go with the kids. She no see peace one day. The 3 years where she go, she no see peace. If this one they sick, the other one pick, the other one. Then they repeat the same thing like this. They rotate her. She carry the man. The man say carry you want. She they beg him. Take the children. Let me have my own peace. Some people, you know, they do mostly when the man they in rights and you decide say you won't walk away. But for me, I just feel say now 50-50. Sometimes it depends on how the kind of relationship on they maybe family, friends don't they involve. So you inside you don't they over, but you still there inside the relationship. You never feel go. You they try tell the person you don't go. You want to see the other person reaction. I don't see that kind of one happen where the girl they tell the guy I no do again, shut up. But you know at the end of the day, the girl already get another person. She don't they date, and people they expect this person. Only one day where that one carrying family can say you won't come propose, and the family been they expect you to do. But because you said not they frustrated and she bring another person, you just do like this.
So when they threaten you, need to walk away.
Walk away.
Well, when you say threaten, say I will leave you.
I don't give you a...
Say maybe if you do something.
If you do something, I will beat you. One day I will beat you. One day I've told you not to go out. One day I will send you out of this house. One day I will do so as in threaten in different ways.
I know.
Say you do something wrong or something you don't want me to do.
I know about you can't shout for my head or
threaten you.
No, you're allowed to shout for your head.
Kill me or you go. It's day 50-50. I go with you, be day 50-50 because sometimes some na empty threat. Yeah. True. Na empty threat. You just talk and say it dey vex. And deep down you know say you no go do am. Because you already know the kind of person where you be. But at the same time, why I talk na 50-50, as the vex take do am, if you just do it in the door, talk say you go do. Do you understand? But if you put on, if to me na 50-50, you just ask na 50-50.
For me, I don't see him as any 50-50 at all. Because if the man talks, say make you not move like this, and then you can't decide say you want to move, then he starts to threaten you, you have to walk away. There is no 50-50 inside. I don't see cases, my darling. I don't see cases of at the end of the day you don't say, oh no, he's just a threat. He doesn't mean it. When the man woes the girl 20 times, she understands, say, come on, this man actually mean that he cannot come up for that seat. So men can be very dumb. As in they want be like mad. They'll tell you, say, I want to come and see you on that seat. So because you can't move from that seat, go this part, they will threaten you. So I told you not to move. If you do it again next time, I will deal with you. If any girl go like what Amaka talk, say, it's just a threat, it is nothing. Why do am next time?
No, but some people get family problem when they don't know where to pour the anger, go pour them on top of the woman.
Thank you, my darling.
You understand? It varies. It varies.
No,
it gets
for
one
me,
go tell you
it's
say,
50-50.
like my husband go tell you say, I don't want you to go to party and you are there till 9 o'clock. I don't go even pick the phone call.
So
that's when you go,
what will happen?
No, I go tell you. I go avoid party. I beg, sorry. I go avoid party when you carry me reach 9 o'clock outside because now waiting he no want. You know why? 9 o'clock his phone is off, so you expect everybody that is his own inside the house. So I am inside at 9 o'clock. I want to be inside. You know when he come to shout for me for that one, when he tell me say next time you stay 9 o'clock, I will lock you outside. Hey, he get the right. Because Naim get the key to the house because he said so. But you know when the thing come out to, you know if you go eat with friends. Those ones make me feel say slavery. But when person don't tell you, say no, I don't want this thing because of this, for security reasons. I don't want to see you outside by this time, or I don't want me you go party with so person because I don't trust that person.
It's okay.
I'm just saying
for me, but
that's what I'm saying. It varies.
Because talk say it varies.
It varies.
And this
do you understand?
The threat themselves they different.
Yeah. It just be like say okay, Mona, go for family dinner for somewhere, and he tell you no sit down near Mr. Kunle because I don't like the way he look at you. And you out of, oh, okay, darling, I don't hear you. And when I go to the place, Mr. Kunle on his own, I carry seat, come sit down near you. My sister look for another seat and go and sit down another person.
And why the publisher I come tell you, say, if you do that again next time, I will beat you in public.
No,
that is where the threat me come in.
That's at that same place. May tell you say if you do sit down near Mr. Kunle again, then
if you do that again,
now
I will
wait
beat you.
now. Sorry. You go try to avoid trouble. You know why? Because before when I go there, he don't already tell you. So you don't like the way Mr. Kunle they take look you.
In that case, you are caged, my darling. See, I don't know.
That's
you
not
will be caged.
No, some people are not comfortable with men. They see what the man is saying. You don't see what the man is saying.
For your own example, where you give, you not know say Mr. Kunle go bring the chair come near you.
Yeah.
You understand? This one you don't know, and then you try to explain that to the man, but he's threatening you that if you try it again next time, I will deal with you. What if tomorrow by mistake, Mr. Kunle just the part say hi Queen B, and then your husband just see you as the man say hi Queen B, and you don't talk say I don't want you near him.
So because of that, as a Nigerian woman with 3 children, because your husband say next time,
wait, I'm talking about being husband.
No, if you say girlfriend, man tell you that man feel be the man where God sent to you. Find a way to find a way to curb it. You don't just walk away as an African woman, as waiting they tell us. Now things go happen, but now the way where you take handle am.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Kunle fit see you for filling station, greet you. Oh, madam, how are you do that? Now Mr. Kunle be that. But you know why? It gets sometimes you go see Mr. Kunle dodge am. Just to avoid trouble. Just
I
to
understand
avoid
where you come from, Queen B.
You understand?
I'm the one kind of person where just because you did it once, not me say you go walk away.
Yeah.
But when this thing don't become like a daily thing, don't become like something where they do all the time, then you go need to walk away. That's just for me. You go need to walk away. Most abusive relationship now from you have to an African woman. You have to be here. You have to stay. For me, for me, most abusive relationship now because say African woman, you have to be here. But when you don't see signs like this, you don't try to stand down and say, honey, I didn't really try to do this thing. You advised me. I listen to you. You are my king. I respect you. But see what happened. But he not listening to you.
Now
it's because they threaten you.
Now I accept the fact that say you can't come back, can't communicate with the man. It gets some women and some way as they watch. So, oh yes, they say we should walk away. I'll walk away. Sorry, you shall be single to yourself. You keep walking away on everything.
All right, you put your mouth inside. It's actually a very heated topic. Put your mouth inside. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Now let us meet Yomi Sax. When you started to play the...
Who is Yomi Sax?
Okay, yes, thank you. That's a nice question. Who is
because
Yomi Sax?
We know
of Yomi Sax.
No,
we know of Yomi Sax. So when we now see Yomi Sax again, we get confused. So who
tell us, who is Yomi Sax?
Well,
now the difference with that.
No.
Tell
us about you.
My full name is Abayomi Oyelade.
Okay.
And I went to music school. That's Peter King College of Music. The same school where Asha they graduate from. At the same school.
Give your voice volume.
At the same school a year ago. And then I did some other professional course in music too. That's Trinity College of Music too.
I know they hear you.
Yeah, I do some other grade in music too.
Okay.
No be only saxophone I dey play.
Oh,
I
okay.
dey play flute too, and I dey into production too.
Okay.
So now what I be with that, and I study computer science in Lagos State University.
Again.
Yeah.
Let me know your first degree before you decide to go.
Yes,
You know, everybody start from church now. Now church thing. But one thing about this talent, we say sometimes it gets me person put much, make inquiry or acquire, you know, education on it. So now why I go music school properly? Because when I did church, then I did play drums. You understand, as church boy. But when the whole thing can develop, I just like the.
All right, my own major question I will actually ask you, they say, I know gradually we they actually climb there. Nigerians know they appreciate instrumental as in, but gradually we don't see some concerts where you just be instrumental only. Yeah. How you go talk about the reception on top of what you they do?
Well. And talk say as then they do for heaven, as so then they do for earth. Because even the old music we see for here, then when you both way even bring and come. Then when you both way bring and come too. Then know as then they use them. You understand? So as life they move, everybody they move along with time. So coming to my playing of saxophone and every revolution about people playing. Then from the maestros, I want those ones that have been into it before, like Kunle Ajayi, Mike Aremu, and all those things. So then lay good foundation with good integrity. So you know everybody want good mentor, good mentorship. So definitely if then sees this person, they happy with what they do. And everybody, they like them, and they play them. As then they play them, then they appreciate, they pray for them. Yeah. So every parent, even nowadays, parents don't they make sure, they tell their children, say which instrument you want. They go buy all the equipment, put for house.
I believe.
As then they go school, they come back. If anyone where they don't say, they do bang, 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 bang. They don't know say, now this one. Will I say go do?
So, I like that.
They get shows, or how put them shows, right?
Yeah.
They get shows, but then they call you in for like regularly.
Sure. Like waiting in they call them. You get one place where they play every Sunday.
Okay.
Midsound Fahrenheit.
Okay.
Every Sunday night.
Alright.
Yeah, a lot of people that they come there. And,
that's nice. That's very nice.
People will understand.
We
we appreciate them.
You know, if you just go at Jegule and go to place. They do this wrong. Show.
Jegule don't open eye pass that one. No.
All right, as he talk, and I see. You know why I won't talk this one, and yes, now body kaja I want to talk about. I see the way you they smile, your teeth they white. All right, because of the popular demand where people they ask about the teeth whitening way I do for body kaja, where they just say they want, we want to play this one for now so that when I go enjoy, and those of now we want learn, when I go learn, like AKA at Aliu Sada. This one now for you. On top of body kajad, you know, Sina Kwembi, they always they bring you that thing where you're supposed to know. Today again, we don't come again with one betterment where you all supposed to know. Yeah, so as Nigerian people where we be, we know say when we they grow up, we chop different kind of soup. We carry plenty oil inside. Those kind banga, egusi, and those bean soup where they carry plenty oil. And it they stain our teeth as so they grow up and it go make the teeth come they yellow. How many Nigerians you know we get white teeth? We go fit count them if we say we could count the numbers. Well, today I don't bring that solution to you and I, where we go take do it in, we go take betterment ourselves. Today, if you want get white teeth for house, now something where they very easy. You fit do them 3 times in a week, and now for night you go do them not to affect your activity for daytime. What thing you go do? You go get your baking soda. Yes, so go where they sell those flour to make cake. Ask them for baking soda. Then you go get lime. Yes, lime. Or somewhere where that's lemon sami. Or somewhere where lemon sami. I don't know what they call them for Igbo. Now on top of Wazobia TV, if you know the name, make you stay call me, tell me the name. All right, when you get lime and also you get 1 banana we don't ripe. What you go do, not be the banana you go take wash am, but the skin of the banana inside, you know, say get that white thing. Make you scrape am as you dey watch for TV, so scrape that one, keep for one side. Then tear your lime into two, cut am into two. Get your baking soda, put am inside one bowl where you know say it clean for you to put inside your mouth. Squeeze the lime inside, you go see say you don dey foam. As it dey foam, so now say you go take clean your teeth. Then scrape the banana back, put am inside that skin inside. Put am inside the baking soda and the lime. Mix am together. Make sure say it mix. Then you use brush, take and brush your teeth. Make it take for 5 to 3 minutes. Make it for day kajad. Yes, then you rinse your mouth. Repeat am inside 1 week, like 3 times or 4 times. And I tell you, when you continue to do this thing, your teeth shall become white. This one I think Queen Bee Carry can give you. Me, I get better things to do because I can waka and I go sabi everything to teach you everything. This one, na body kajad. All right, so my people, like we tell you, we say Yomi Sax get one special performance where you want to give us. You know, saying on Friday we day and everybody done ready to jiggy dance. But hey, now your time with this. Make it sure so till you carry come.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
today always they talk to talk
Talk about it, but make it
Alright,
right.
talk about.
Woo!
Now, no, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry the go.